equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson SV25 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by 2 Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. You may notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to use your clean cloth to wipe away any dirt, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, you'll see the battery connected to the vacuum. There are usually 2 clips holding the battery in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry these clips away from the battery. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the clips released, you can now pull the old battery out. Take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, replace the battery compartment panel. Align it properly and press down gently. Reinsert the 2 Phillips screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Once the panel is back in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it back into the charger and allow it to charge for a few hours. After charging, turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery service at your home. We can handle the repairs without you needing to make any calls or travel. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Many local councils in Australia have battery recycling programs, so check your local guidelines. If you're unsure about any step in this process, or if you'd prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson SV25. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.